Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Android black camera screen. So if we head over to our camera, and as you can see, the camera is currently black and we can't see or navigate anything through this camera. So what we need to do is to go back, and the first thing we can do is to slide down and go to this turn off option, and here you have to reboot or restart your phone, and this might solve the problem in the first step. But if it doesn't, then just go back and go head over to your settings option of your phone. So once you're in your settings, scroll down and find your app settings. So if you can't find it, you can also search it from here. Just write camera, and here you will find lots of camera options. So like in here, just go for camera, and in here you see the option of permissions. Head over there. So make sure your camera is allowed and it is accessed by your phone. So if it's not allowed, it will show in here not allowed section. But if it's allowed, it will show in this section. So if it's not allowed, please make sure you allow your camera and then you can use your camera. So yeah, then the camera black screen will be gone like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.